Well, infrastructure problems go further than bridges and span much wider than Montreal. Canadian cities say they need $123 billion to update roads, public transit and water systems. And another $100 billion is required for new projects to meet growing demands. Vancouver was recently named the worst gridlock city in North America. So we asked our Chris Brown to look at the possible solutions in that city and others. Chris.
Mark, Vancouver has received accolades for creating dense urban neighborhoods and getting people out of their cars and onto transit, bicycles and walking. Some here believe that's the best way out of Canada's infrastructure crisis.
Roads by far are the most expensive way to move people a kilometre.
Brent Todderan's fix for Canada's infrastructure challenge may not be easily achievable, but Vancouver's former city planner believes the economics of it are irrefutable. Build fewer highways and more transit and save a bundle of money.
If all we keep doing is building our cities and our communities and our suburbs in a way that is heavily dependent on expensive infrastructure, and that's what we've been doing, then we just keep digging ourselves deeper in the holes.
That hole is already a pretty big one. This graph compiled by the Centre for Policy Alternatives shows in the 1960s Canada made huge investments in infrastructure, but as it all started to wear down and depreciate, spending on maintaining it and building new services didn't keep up.
For literally decades as a country, we've been underinvesting in infrastructure, and the fact that Canada has been urbanizing at a very rapid rate during that period has just made matters worse.
There are some signs of improvement, though. In its last budget, Ottawa put aside some $53 billion over the next 10 years for infrastructure, everything from new roads and bridges to new water mains and sewage treatment facilities.
This is a long haul, and it means that it's going to take years and years to recover from the current state of infrastructure, and it's going to take more than one order of government.
As for having more density and scaling back on highways to the suburbs, the skeptics wonder if many Canadian cities have gone too far down the road in the other direction for that.
We've let these things go so far that we now have to put literally hundreds of millions of dollars into repairing these facilities because we can't wait to reshape the urban environment.
Exactly how the latest $53 billion will be spent hasn't been decided yet, but tomorrow the Federation of Municipalities will be in Ottawa to meet with MPs to talk about the priorities. Mark.
All right, Chris, thanks so much.